As many of us have experienced this semester, Boolean operators are an important part of the online searcher's toolkit. For this presentation, I will focus on the Boolean operator OR and how the online searcher can maximize its effectiveness. When you create a search using OR, your search will return results containing one or both of your search terms. For example, if I were to search pineapple or banana, my search results could contain either pineapple, banana, or both of the terms. This inclusiveness is why Brown and Bell refer to OR as the broadening Boolean operator in their Librarian's Guide to Online Searching. So, when should a searcher use OR? Use OR when you need to broaden your search and include multiple synonyms or similar concepts in a single search. For example, heart attack or myocardial infarction. OR is also helpful when a name, either a person or a place, may be represented in many different ways. For example, Joe Biden may be referred to as Joseph Biden, or Vice President Biden, or President Biden. Finally, OR can be useful to include parts of a whole in a search. If researching the EU, a user might want to search EU, or European Union, or Germany, and continue ORing on all the countries in the EU. Now that we know what OR does in our search statements and when to use it, here are a few tips to help use OR most effectively. Don't forget parentheses. If there are other Boolean operators in a search statement, you will need to group your OR statements together within parentheses so your search is performed in the manner you intend. In this example, alligator or snakes is placed within parentheses because most databases process AND statements before OR statements. Without the parentheses, the system might have searched alligators and Florida as a statement, or snakes. It is important to know how the databases you are using process Boolean operators. This will affect whether you need to capitalize the operators, though it is a good habit to routinely capitalize Boolean operators, what order the operators are processed in, and whether the database even recognizes the operator. Finally, depending on your search topic, it may be important to practice restraint when using OR. Adding many synonyms to your search string is not always the best strategy and can return an overwhelming amount of results. As a best practice, add synonyms to your search statements gradually. Online searching is an iterative process. If you find a useful item, see if the author uses a synonym you hadn't thought of and add it to your search. Try set building to see what works and what doesn't work, and learn through your results throughout the process. This has been my quick and easy guide to using OR effectively. Thanks for listening.